plastic hinge. Yeah. If all the fibers of a cross section reach the yield stress, no problem. If all the fibers of a cross section reach the maximum yield stress, then the section will undergo infinite rotation. The section will undergo infinite rotation. Such a section is called as plastic hinge. So I am considering a body. Yeah. The section has yielded. I am considering a body. If all the fibers of a cross section, okay, earlier it was like this. Before applying the moment, it will be like this. Now, when you apply the load, once the plastic moment is reached, the entire section will yield from top to bottom. It's the entire, all the fibers of the cross section have reached the yield stress. Then such section will undergo infinite rotation. Then you can say that plastic hinge is generated in that particular section. Plastic hinge is generated in that particular section. So what is the difference between structural hinge and plastic? What is the difference between the structural hinge and plastic hinge? Structural hinge which you will provide in a structure. Okay, for the example for this is the door hinge which you will provide. Okay. So the structural hinge, the first point, the major difference between this is visible for us. This is not visible. Okay, this is not visible. And the second one is it will undergo finite rotation. It will undergo infinite rotation. Okay, and the third one is no resistance for moment. Okay, there will not be any resistance for the moment in case of structural hinge, but in case of plastic hinge, there will be resistance for the moment. The resistance is equal to MP, plastic moment. Okay, there will be no resistance for the moment. Here the resistance is MP, plastic moment. Here the section is not yielded. Here entire section is yielded. Okay, the entire section is yielded. So these are some of the difference between the plastic hinge and structural hinge. One is the structural hinge is visible, the plastic hinge is not visible. Okay, structural hinge can undergo finite rotation, whereas this can undergo infinite rotation. Okay, so there is no resistance for the moment in case of structural hinge, whereas in case of plastic hinge there is a resistance for the moment, that the resistance is equal to MP, that is nothing but plastic moment, and the section is not yielded, whereas here the entire section is yielded. So here one more difference, this is a mechanical device. Mechanical device, whereas this plastic hinge, it is an internal response of a structure. Internal response of a structure. Internal response of a structure. Okay, so the plastic hinge is nothing but if all the fibers of a cross section reach the yield stress, then such a section will undergo infinite rotation. Then such a cross section is called as plastic hinge. Plastic hinge. So there are two types of hinges. One is structural hinge which will provide in the structure, and one is a plastic hinge. The difference between the structural hinge and plastic hinge is structural hinge is visible to us, whereas plastic hinge is not visible, because structural hinge is a mechanical device which will provide in the structure. whereas plastic hinge is the internal response of a structure against the loading. Against the loading, internal response of a structure. Next, the structural hinge got a finite rotation, whereas the plastic hinge got a infinite rotation. And the structural hinge, it will not resist for moment. Okay, it will not resist any moment, whereas the plastic hinge has a moment resistance that is equal to MP. And in case of the structural hinge, the entire section is not yielded, whereas in case of the plastic hinge, the entire section is yielded. Okay, so these are the major differences between a structural hinge and a plastic hinge. Now, where this plastic hinge location is possible, where this plastic hinge can develop in a structure, which are all the critical locations in which the plastic hinge can generate or occur in a structure. The first one is